Here's a simplified guide on how to cook Rogan Josh. Ingredients: 1. 500 g lamb or goat meat, cube. 2. 2 large onions, finely sliced. 3. 2 tomatoes, chopped. 4. A quarter cup plain yogurt. 5. 3 tablespoons oil or ghee. 6. 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. 7. 2 teaspoons Rogan Josh spice blend, available in stores or homemade with a mix of cumin, coriander, cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves. 8. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 9. 1 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to taste. 10. Salt to taste. 11. Fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Cooking method. Marination. In a bowl, mix yogurt, half of the ginger garlic paste, Rogan Josh spice blend, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. Marinate the meat in this mixture for at least 30 minutes, or refrigerate overnight for richer flavors. Cooking. In a deep pan or pressure cooker, heat oil or ghee. Add sliced onions and sauté until golden brown. Add the remaining ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell disappears. Add the marinated meat and cook until the meat is browned. Simmering. Stir in chopped tomatoes and let them cook until softened. Add enough water to cover the meat, bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to simmer. Cover and cook until the meat is tender. If using a pressure cooker, this will be done in a shorter time. Final touch. Once the meat is tender, check the seasoning and adjust salt and spice levels if needed. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Serving. Serve Rogan Josh hot with steamed rice, naan, or your favorite Indian bread. Enjoy the rich and aromatic flavors of this simplified Rogan Josh recipe, a classic dish that captures the essence of Indian cuisine.